Hey guys, no, okay, yeah, so we're gonna be doing a reaction video. Caden pulled the fire line during school.
So what?
What happened at school today?
Good.
You were good at school today? You didn't do anything pretty crazy?
Well, I had to go to the office for a second to
Whoa, I had to go to office for a second
do
because,
something.
What?
Well, I don't know if it's bad or good. I don't even know what it is.
Well, what did you do?
Well, nothing bad.
Really?
Well,
You didn't pull anything at school in the hallway?
oh wow. Am I recording? Oh guys. Wow.
Nothing? Your principal called me.
Look at that face, look at that guilt face. That damn principal.
how did you know your number?
Because I wrote it down
All I want to know is how she knew your number.
for her. So what did you do?
I don't even know.
I don't even know.
I think you know about this.
Hang on 1 second, okay, man?
What the heck was that? What was that? Guys.
Because I wrote it down for her.
Yeah, guys.
So what did you do?
I don't even know.
I think you do know.
I think you know about this.
Hang on 1 second, okay,
He's
man?
like milking him.
I don't even know.
I think you do know.
I think you know about this.
Look at that. Look at that. He's just like standing there.
Hang on 1 second, okay, man?
What's wrong with him?
I don't know. Can you go on so I can talk to him, please?
Adios, amigos.
Bye, thank you.
That's why Donald Trump was president.
So what did you do, man?
A fire trigger.
Why did you do that?
Did he just say fry triggered? Because that just got me really triggered. I am the one
I
though.
was just dancing like a monkey and I didn't know what that did. And then I accidentally pulled it.
You accidentally pulled it or you pulled it on purpose?
First of all, why were you dancing like a monkey? Like, just rewind.
Why did you do that?
Oh, because I was just dancing like a monkey and I...
Yeah, he said dancing like a monkey.
Then I
Guilt.
pulled it.
You accidentally pulled it or you pulled it on purpose?
Accident. Is my dad here? Well, it was just on accident.
He knew. He knew.
Is my dad here?
Look at this face.
It was just on
Look at that. Guilt face when Dad's home.
accident. Well, she was mad because she thought it was on purpose, but it was on accident.
I believe the kid.
I swear.
Why did my battery just...
What did
Oh.
you guys have to do?
I had to go to the principal
Yeah.
and just do my work to count to 100.
You pull the fire alarm. Count to 100, please. Best principal ever.
Did you have to stay in there for recess?
Yeah, even at recess. I had to eat outside of it.
You had to eat. I don't think you
Were you
eat
upset
during
about
recess
that?
anyway.
I was gonna cry.
Did you feel bad?
Yeah, I really didn't want my mom.
Yeah.
I really didn't let my
Are you gonna
mom.
do that again?
No.
You promise?
But could you please not tell my dad?
He already knows.
How does he already know?
Because I told him.
Oh,
Did
he's
you tell him
screwed.
that it was on
Yeah,
accident?
he's not upset with you.
How is he not mad at me?
How is he not mad at me? I pulled a fire alarm.
Kids, sometimes little kids do stuff. It happens.
I was curious.
Yeah. Well, next time, do you know what you're gonna do?
What?
What should you do if you're
Did
curious?
he just say what?
Just calm myself down,
And
take a deep breath,
ask somebody.
Pull it.
No.
No,
Somebody come
don't
in there
pull
and talk
that,
to you?
Sonny.
No, we just had to walk.
You didn't get talked to by the firefighter?
Yeah.
You did?
Wait, the firefighter came to
What did he
school? Oh, was that serious?
Remember?
You don't remember what he said?
Oh, dude.
Did he sit down and talk with you?
Yeah.
What did he say?
I don't remember.
Okay. Are you gonna do it again?
No.
You promise?
Promise.
I think I just heard his dad.
Okay.
Don't tell anyone.
Guys, let's just do one more.
Tell us what you're doing. Pull it just like you pull if you run down the hallway. No. Yeah, actually pull it.
Are you?
No, don't put your key in there. Just pull it. All right. Hello, YouTubers. It's Justin again.
Hello, Justin. Oh, wait, this is dumb. I'm sorry.